Well, I'm in my car, sleeping, getting ready to sleep. The Chevy Equinox is perfectly the right length for me to sleep in here. I got my inner barista working for me this morning. I don't want to do anything without having coffee first. The sun's starting to come up, and it's really nice out. That's some good coffee this morning, people. That's good coffee. Good morning from Badlands National Park. I think it's November 15th, 2021. And we're off. It is 6:54 out here. Sun's just starting to come up. 22 miles today or so. We'll see how it goes. Starting off cold. I don't even have any sleeves on. I'm freezing, but it's supposed to get up to 70, so there it is. Getting a little late start today, but I think it'll be worth it. First wildlife of the day. Not a bad start. Here's a big old buck. There he goes. Holy cow. I love it out here. There's another big monster buck right there. I don't know if you can see it. He's a bad boy. He's been looking right at me. He's huge. There he goes. Holy cow, he's huge. I can't get any closer. Isn't that pretty? Holy cow. There are deer everywhere out here. 1, 2, 3. There's the big buck. Holy cow, there. It's crazy. There's another buck. What a fantastic morning. I think I'm gonna cry. The trail rolls on to Deer Haven, and I'm getting closer, and I see another deer. I am truly a blessed individual today. Oh my gosh. The shark's fin, right there. There's my first buffalo. Hiding over there. First ram, right up there. And I'm gonna go up right there. It doesn't look like I can get up there, but I can. He's checking me out. He's the top dog until I get up there. Then we're gonna butt heads. And we know who's gonna win that one. The big dog. Gotta walk the tightrope across that. Ooh, hello there. Beautiful jeepers. Maybe next year some of you will come with me. I don't know why you didn't come. Because look right over there. There are some more deer. Hello, Mr. Deer and Mrs. Deer. He's checking out the sunrise too. Here's a better angle. I don't even realize it's only 7:45. I'm only like 2.5 miles into the day, and everything I've seen so far has been in the first 2 miles. So this is quite the spot to come and enjoy nature for sure. I just crested the top of Deer Haven. Hello, ladies. Didn't mean to disturb your morning. This hairy, furry beasts looks like, are kind of in my pathway. What shall I do? And there they go. I didn't get close enough to pet them at this time. Uh-oh. I see a ram that died. Probably from pneumonia. I wonder. They got pneumonia out here. I'm running with the buffalo today. Just follow the buffalo trails, that's all I'm doing most of the time. There's a big buck right there, holy moly. Holy cow, that thing is huge. Busted. Look at him go. Oh my gosh, that thing is massive. Coyote. Looky what I found. I'm on the Buffalo Super Highway. I'm taking a little shortcut. This is post running 100 miles 9 days ago, and I'm feeling it today. Oh my gosh. We've entered the Tyree Basin. Now to go find the gravesite. Probably can't see it, but there's a coyote running over there. And I'm looking for the gravesite. Somewhere right over in here. I done created a stampede. I suppose I better let them move on. I'm getting a little riled up over just one guy. I didn't mean for that to happen. I was trying to go around them, and then all of a sudden I look up and there they go. They're probably going the way I need to go. The way it looks. Jeepers. I'm at the gravesite. It's right there. The buffalo are going right by it. There it is. There go a bunch of pronghorn. It's just amazing out here. I couldn't ask for a better day. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Here's the Tyree gravesite. Eugene and Howard Tyree, born in 1916. We were out here this spring renovating this. Fence is already busted up from the buffalo again. Side wires out again. All the wires are loosened up. I'm gonna see if I can fix some of this while I'm here. Here's a couple more rocks for the pile. Just fixing fence around the gravesite while I'm here. Wasn't smart and didn't bring any tools. Next time. Well, I spent like maybe 20 minutes, half hour. I think I got the fence fixed up as good as I can do. Till next time, Eugene and Howard, it's been my pleasure visiting you again. Their homestead was just right out there. Big downhill, heading way out that way to a corner post. And I head that way to the car. There's a big buck. When the deer and the antelope play, seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Oh, home on the range. The last, I don't know, 4 miles back to the car, and you walk by the stinking fence and it's just not that pretty on your right side, but on this side it's not too bad. But I'm pretty tired right now, and I'm just wishing I was back to the car. Whew, I'm wore out. That might be one of my best days of running ever. Just the most rewarding. The only thing that would have made it better is if somebody would have came with me, so I could share the experience with somebody. I saw so much in the last 6 hours. I can't even believe it. Now it's time to head home. Thanks for watching.